Welcome viewers to the Spiritual Gamer channel. Today we are playing just a Black Ops 2 pistol only match. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give that thumbs up and that subscribe. And here we go. Start it, goddammit. I can't wait to see this YouTube video on YouTube. That's so fun.
Free for all.
She lives all the way up into Canada.
Good news. The check.
Damn it.
Yeah, I freaking slapped him 4 times on this freaking thing.
I'm gonna rape you people with pistols.
I look ugly right now. It's because of my hair. Look.
No, you cannot cut your hair.
Can I cut my hair?
No.
I get it freaking, I don't know, freaking stylish.
You're lucky.
I like my hair, but used to have short hair because I would never want my mother to brush it. I hate my hair being brushed. Never liked it. Sensitive. My hair is sensitive. It hurts whenever someone for me.
You knifed me with a colorful knife. Yes. I'm not killable. Ah! No C4. Boy. Yeah, headshot. No scope. Ah, stupid car. Attack 45 and 2 zigzags. Maybe that's all we need.
It's been 1 minute now. It's been 1
I know.
minute now.
We only needed people to be quiet for the intro.
Well, damn, I've been quiet more than that. You should be happy.
Actually, no, I'm not. I like to hear you talk.
Oh, good.
Oh. Yes. I just killed you in close range combat. Ow, motherfucker. That shit hurt.
Ew. Yeah. Oh, it's illegal, right?
You know it's code 45s and 2 zigzags, baby, that's all we need. Go to the park after dark, smoke that tumbleweed. Damn, Cody, when did you get so fast at fucking shooting? He tried to fucking knife my ass. Bitch.
Oh, God.
Ah, no. If he hadn't killed me, I would have sprayed the shit out of it.
Can I be a boy?
Did you just say, can I be a boy?
Maybe.
Fuck no.
Why can't I?
She wants the D.
No, I don't. God damn.
Dude, I saw something on Vine that said, like, the black guy walked down the street and there's, like, these 3 girls and he had, like, a foam D and he, like, threw it to the girl in the middle and the guy behind him is like, what'd you do that for? And he's like, she wanted the D. And it was a foam D. Like the letter D. Boy, come out from behind her.
wish I was in California so I could slap you right now.
Aww. Why do you want to slap me?
So I seriously wish I was so I could slap you as much as I want.
But babe, I thought you loved me.
Only if you said something really wrong, then I totally would have to.
Oh, watch that, don't watch that shit.
If you're good, then you won't get slapped.
What, will I get some pee?
Okay, I want to slap you right now. You deserve a freaking slap in the face.
I love you, Annie.
Love you too. Hugs and kisses.
Definitely.
Yep, totally. What?
Dude, my friend down the street, this girl that I know down the street, I've known her for 3 years. No matter what I do, I can ask for a hug, and she'll give me a hug. Greatest damn thing ever. Like, whenever I'm feeling down, I can just be like, throw my arms out, and she'll just, like, come up to me and give me a hug. It's, like, fucking awesome. Well, thank you for watching my ass get beat, even though I'm MLG with a pistol. Talk to you guys later. Hope you watch some more YouTube videos by Spiritual Gamer. Now go